Very good morning to all of you. This is Arshad Alam, Assistant Biology Teacher of Oriental Public School, Kishanganj, Bihar. Dear students, today I am going to teach you class 9th biology, and I have chosen a topic which is hepatitis. So, today I will be talking about the disease hepatitis and its cause, symptoms, and treatment. First of all, we will come to know what is hepatitis. Dear students, hepatitis, you can see it is also jaundice. It is the disease which is caused by virus. So it is of five types: hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Dear students, among them, all the types of hepatitis, among them, the types hepatitis B is very dangerous because this type of hepatitis contains the genetic materials as DNA, and rest of the types of hepatitis contains the genetic materials RNA. Hepatitis B or hepatitis simply is an infection of the liver. That means from the virus of hepatitis, the liver is being infected, and it is obviously caused by the virus hepatitis B. Hepatitis B generally spread through contamination of food and water. Now we will see how hepatitis B spread. Students, remember, this kind of disease spread through the exposure to blood. That means a person can be affected with hepatitis B through the exposure to blood, semen, and other bodily fluids of an infected person. Like if I tell you it is spread from one body to another body, it can be spread through the body fluids. Suppose a person goes to the barber to shave its beard. If the owner of barber using the blade, and that blade is applied on the patient who is already been infected by the virus hepatitis B, and that blade is again used to the healthy person, the healthy person can be affected by hepatitis B. Or a doctor who is using the syringe, and that syringe already used in the infected body, and again that syringe is used to the healthy person, the healthy person can be infected. You can get the infection by doing or having unprotected sex. That means a person who is not using the protection during the intercourse, that person can be infected. As I told you about the syringe or needles, like sharing or using the dirty needles for drug use, tattoos, or piercing, in such a way this disease can be spread, and it is obviously spread through the body fluids. It can be spread through mother to child. If a lady is already infected by hepatitis, and that lady becomes the deliver. That lady deliver a baby, and that baby may be infected by the virus hepatitis. The symptoms of hepatitis: in case of the hepatitis, the liver of the patient becomes enlargement and nausea and vomiting. Nausea means the feelings which occurs before vomiting, that is nausea. Nausea will be there, and vomiting, as you know about the vomiting. Epigastric means what? Epigastric means discomfort in digestion. That means digestive system will not work properly, and there will be stomach pain, loss of appetite, mild fever, loose stool, lack of energy. So these are some symptoms of hepatitis, and there is also constipation. And obviously the patient who is suffering from hepatitis or jaundice will have yellow skin and eyes. A person who is suffering from jaundice or hepatitis will have the brown urine. The urine will becomes brownish or yellowish in color. As I have given a diagram which shows the symptoms of hepatitis. As you can see, reduced appetite, jaundice, fever, dark urine and pale poop, weakness will be there, nausea and vomiting. So these are the symptoms of the disease hepatitis. Dear students, now we will talk about the treatment of hepatitis. First of all, any person who is suffering from hepatitis, that person must be visited to the doctor. Doctor will, first of all, doctor will diagnose the disease. Then after, the patient will be provided with a vaccine or the antiviral medicines. The treatment of hepatitis depends upon the type of hepatitis. As you know, hepatitis is of 5 types: hepatitis A, B, C, D, E. So depending upon the types of hepatitis, the medicine is given to the patient. Viral hepatitis may be treated with the antiviral medicines, as I mentioned or told you already. The patient who is suffering from hepatitis A, B or C, that patient must be given the antiviral medicines. Remember, the contain body contain a protein which is known as interferon. Interferon is a protein which fights with the virus which is already entered to the body. So now when any person or anybody is been infected by the virus, that person must have to take the medicines as antiviral medicines. So thank you so much students. It was about the disease caused by virus hepatitis, and all the types of hepatitis is given here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.